Attention swimming pool owners. The following is a message for every swimming pool owner who needs to keep their pool warm but can't afford the high utility bills. Hi, my name is Jay from Exchange Pool Heaters, and here's the truth you need to know about pool heating. In fact, here's the biggest problem you face right now. It's very expensive traditional heating methods. But that's not the end of the problem, it actually gets worse. Why? Because you don't know there's an alternative method for heat, which means you end up wasting thousands of dollars every season with these old school methods. And worst of all, most swimming pool owners can't seem to get past the idea that heating your pool can only be done with natural gas heaters, heat pumps, or ugly solar panels. But luckily for you, there's a solution to your problem. So if you're a swimming pool owner who really needs to keep your pool warm but can't afford the high utility bills, here's the solution you've been looking for. Introducing Exchange Pool Heaters Energy Hacking System. Exchange Pool Heaters Energy Hacking System helps you have your pool at the perfect temperature effortlessly, save thousands in utility bills each season, extend your pool season by 8 weeks, save 25 to 30% on your air conditioning bill, helps you stop wasting fossil fuels and reduce your carbon footprint, and much, much more. And best of all, you'll start seeing results with Exchange Pool Heaters Energy Hacking System almost immediately, and it only costs 20% more than traditional heating models on your initial investment. And then you'll start saving $2,200 or more on average each year you own the unit. So again, if you're a pool owner who wants to save lots of money heating their pool, understand this. All the free energy you need to heat your pool is already sitting in your house. Why not use it? You'll receive free shipping on this promotion using the Heat Now code. You'll need to start planning on what you'll do with the extra $2,200 a year you'll have in your pocket. A vacation, a home remodeling project, the possibilities are endless. Act now before it's too late. Get on board with Exchange Pool Heaters Energy Hacking System and become a #EnergyHackerNow. Take action and set an appointment with one of our pros to start saving now.